Yo, what's up guys? I'm here with my buddy Wyatt and we're standing in front of his flip. We're here in the neighborhood of Diamond Head and this is a sick flip, like a multi-million-dollar flip, and he's in the process of renovating it and he's gonna show us around. Let's go. All right, bro, show us where are we right now?
Yeah, so right now, when you kind of enter the house, before where we're standing right now, there was a wall that kind of divided this space and the kitchen. We thought that it would be better to open it up. As soon as you come in, walk into the front, you get opened up by the kitchen. So we thought we would get rid of that wall and open up the kitchen. You can see right through to the space in the living room.
Open concept.
Yeah, open concept.
Nice.
And so the crazy thing is with this one, this kitchen was maybe like half the size of this.
Oh wow.
Behind this wall back here is a bathroom that kind of cut into the space, and for a price point in this nature, like you kind of want to open up that kitchen, make it more grand, make it more bigger.
Yeah, yeah. So you took less square footage from the bathroom and gave it to the kitchen?
Yes, correct. So we kept the same plumbing for the bathroom, and we'll see later on in the video, but we decided to open up maybe like 4 to 6 feet.
Okay.
To kind of expand the kitchen, give it a more grand feeling.
That was a good call. Nice.
Yeah.
Cool, man. Yeah, this living room's huge.
Yeah, yeah. And I think at least for the kitchen, we went KitchenAid appliances, kind of that higher tier, just under Wolf Viking, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, right now it's just coming along, we're looking kind of great.
Okay.
And then yes, so this beam right here actually is kind of crazy. This is it's a huge beam, and we wanted to kind of get rid of it to raise it to make it to match this one.
Oh, I see.
But just the way that the house is built, the way it's structured, if we took this off, I think it would have come tumbling down.
Oh, man.
So this is a very...
Oh yeah, you need to like enforce it, right?
Yeah, This is a very structural beam that it kind of enforces the whole house as a whole. So we couldn't get rid of that. Yeah, so this outdoor area before, it was actually enclosed.
Okay.
It was not permitted. So if we wanted to do something with the enclosed area, we'd have to put more permits on it.
Okay.
So because of that, we kind of just demoed the whole thing and now creating like an outdoor living area, maybe an outdoor barbecue patio, something like that. But before, maybe like this divot right here, maybe like, what was that, like 4 by 8 was just an outdoor patio.
Oh wow.
So it was very small, and I think opening up, making it outdoor, as soon as you kind of enter the house, you're kind of welcomed with this space.
Nice. Yeah, because out here you could like hang out, still have like privacy, barbecue, maybe put like a TV somewhere, watch the game. Yeah.
And it's cool too, because this back part, which is behind me, is gonna be like a guest quarters, ohana dwelling unit. Okay. And they'll have kind of access using this patio.
Oh, okay. So that could be like a separate entrance.
Yep, correct. Okay. So it's gonna be a separate entrance using this kind of alleyway into the...
So if you wanted a house hack, you could.
Yeah, definitely. This is definitely house hackable, as you could say. But yeah, this was enclosed before, so we kind of just opened it up to give it that outdoor, indoor feeling.
Cool. Let's check it out.
Yeah, we can go in here.
Cool.
Let's go. So this is you're gonna be your 1 bedroom, 1 bath in the guest quarters. Okay. And this bathroom was really, really small. So before there was a door right here that you kind of entered the bathroom. And if you kind of go inside there, just in that corner where the shower is, that was the size of the whole bathroom.
Oh wow, like just the shower?
No, a shower and the freaking, like the shower was literally like a circle around me.
Oh what?
It was literally just that corner.
Wow.
So this space right here was part of a kitchen that you had access from the living room.
Oh wow, okay.
So instead, if you kind of go into this living room right here, instead of making it a full-blown kitchen,
oh I see,
we cut it off and we made it a wet bar.
So this is like a mini living room for that extra guest quarters.
Correct. So the living room, we took away that kitchen because we thought it was more beneficial to have a bigger bathroom in this space and then just create a wet bar scenario and kind of match the cabinets with the main kitchen.
Okay. Yeah. You see a lot of that in Hawaii just because like they want that ability to have like either a different person to rent it out, or maybe like multi-generational living, like
Yeah.
auntie, uncle, grandma, grandpa.
Yeah, and we just thought that design feature is the way it kind of configures would be most beneficial for someone that comes in to the space.
Yeah.
And they also have access to the outdoor as well.
Yeah. Because if anything, this could be closed off, right?
Yeah, so we're gonna do like a door here.
Yeah.
That kind of closes off the space, give them that
Yeah.
privacy, and also give the main area their privacy as well.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. Okay.
But just kind of an added feature, so
Sick.
kind of help with the whole design and everything.
Yeah.
But,
Cool. Want to go out here?
yeah.
Nice. All right. So what's going on out here, man?
Yeah. So out here, it's a small space,
Yeah.
which is kind of more beneficial to us because we don't have to spend as much money to kind of design the square footage wise.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we're just gonna do it very nice, make it a clean slate. Just kind of wash up, make some gardening over here.
Yeah.
Maybe some of those garden boxes,
Oh yeah. Yeah.
and
Yeah.
then string light it around, trim up this tree.
Oh, nice. Very
Kinda-
hipster.
Yeah.
Wait, are you keeping this tree?
Yeah, we're gonna keep it, clean it up a little bit, make it more presentable.
Okay. What is this anyway?
You're asking the wrong person.
What is it? This is like
I
a.
have no idea, bro.
This is like a hibiscus or something. I don't know.
I don't know. But
Damn,
yeah,
okay.
before it was kind of. I think this white stucco really brings it up a bit.
And you did this, right?
Yeah. So
Oh,
before it was just regular masonry block. So we
What's
kind
on
of
the
filled the
other side?
masonry block, stuccoed around it, inside and out.
Oh wow. Whose land is this?
It's that parcel. So there's maybe like 2 or 3 parcels back there
Oh wow.
that didn't build yet.
Nice.
But,
That's a big parcel.
yeah. What's funny though too is, so see, I don't know if you can see back here, but you see how, like, not pressed, but
Uh-huh.
how minimal space there is to the perimeter wall.
Yeah.
So because this building because this property was built before all like the legal like regulations and everything,
Mhm.
we're able to keep this the way it is. Because
Oh, nice.
usually you have to stay 5 feet away from the perimeter wall, right?
Oh,
the
okay,
outside
okay.
wall.
Got it.
So as long as we didn't touch this space, do anything to it, we could just leave it.
Nice.
So
Okay.
that was kind of beneficial. We thought we had to demo this whole,
Yeah.
whole space, which would add a lot of costs.
Nice.
Yeah.
I like the stucco finish. It's like really
Yeah.
luxury, you know.
Gives it a little pop
Yeah.
of white too.
Rather compared to like traditional or like normal like siding. And stuff.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Definitely.
Okay.
Definitely.
Cool.
Then-
Okay.
And this is a. Actually, I don't know if it's open, but.
Is it open? Oh, okay. Let's go around. Let's go around. Cool, cool, cool.
And then, so this is where it kind of got a little funky.
Yeah.
Um,
oh, no, what happened?
So
Oh shit.
before
Yeah.
this was a two bedroom
Uh huh.
and a bathroom.
Okay.
So to go into that corner bedroom, you would
Mm-hmm.
have to go into this bedroom and then access the other way.
Oh, so there's like a wall.
Yeah, there was.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So to get to that bedroom, you had to enter someone else's bedroom.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So you made one bedroom and then one bedroom.
Yeah, and
Nice.
then the bathroom right there,
Bathroom.
which is we cut it down a little bit to give more space for the kitchen.
Oh yeah. That's right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I think before this was it wasn't even claimed as a bedroom because it didn't have a closet before too.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's important.
Yeah. But I think which is hard too because with that space, we
Oh, yeah.
wanted to attach the garage to the actual house
Okay.
to kind of give like interior access.
Yeah.
But in order to keep that a bedroom, we needed egress to the outside.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
So we needed this bedroom.
Yeah.
to
Give
to
that
make
value.
costs. Yeah.
Dang, okay.
But and then on this side, this was not even a bedroom.
Okay.
This whole side was a bathroom.
Oh wow. One giant bathroom.
Yeah, it
Oh,
was big. It was like a
what?
salon type of bathroom.
Oh, that's crazy. Okay.
So we thought it was more utilizable. I don't even know that's a word, but to make it an extra bedroom and
Okay.
then take the same plumbing from this bathroom
Yeah.
and add a master bath.
No, that's way more utilizable.
Because I mean, I guess in this price point,
Yeah.
if you're gonna buy something like this, I kind of want to expect a bath in your master bath,
Oh yeah.
in your master bedroom. So
Definitely. And that's where it is, right?
yeah, so
Let's-
I think
go
we can
that way.
Yeah, slide over here real quick.
Cool. I got the master bath. Oh, that's nice. Check out those tiles over there.
Yeah, so this space right here
Uh huh.
was actually an outdoor patio.
Oh, all of
Yeah.
this.
It was it was enclosed.
Okay.
But on the drawings, it was claiming as an outdoor patio.
Okay, okay.
So the permits and everything was in place, and this wall right here was actually a slider, and you kind of would go over into the living room.
Yeah.
So we kind of walled it off, gave it
Okay.
its own private kind of entrance and everything.
Nice.
But this was probably a difficult part of the project, just because of this grand and this what we're dealing with. We wanted to make the back or the master bedroom a little bit more big or larger.
Yeah.
But because of the space we're given, we had to kind of fixate things around to just maximize the space. So this is the best we could done with the space. I wish we could done it bigger though.
Yeah, yeah.
We wanted to add a closet, like a walk-in closet. I don't know if you'll call that walk-in.
Yeah.
It's durable for the space.
Oh yeah, dude, you can definitely walk in here. I'm definitely in, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's definitely walk in.
I think we have some plans to kind of design this back wall behind the
accent
bed.
wall.
Some kind of accent wall, wallpaper vinyl, something like that to kind of make the bed pop a little bit.
Yeah, here in the living room too.
Yeah,
That's like
that wall right there.
I've been doing that on my flips. They've been popping.
Yeah. But they'll have their own kind of access to the back and their own privacy and everything. So I think that was the best move we could have done, is adding the master bath to the master room.
Nice, dude. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, shoot, let's talk numbers, bro.
Yeah.
Let's go in the living room. All right, bro. This is like a sick, insane project, man. I love it.
Yeah.
So, number-wise, when did you buy this and how much?
Yeah, so we bought this kind of towards the end of summer of last year, of 2022.
Okay.
We closed in late August, and we bought it for just under 2.4.
2.4. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. And how'd you find the deal?
So we actually got it from a wholesaler.
Okay.
That's part of Ryan Pineda's wealthy world. Shout out Ryan.
Shout out Ryan.
So we kind of networked with each other, and that's how we kind of found the deal from a wholesale deal.
That's dope. So, obviously we both know Nate. He's in Ryan Pineda's wealthy creator, wealthy investor. I was in it. You're in it, and we met because of this mentorship program. And now we're doing deals together.
Yeah, no, that
awesome.
just shows you how big your network is. Yeah, I mean, going to events, putting yourself out there, not just Hawaii events, not just your state events, but actually going to the motherland, going to the mainland, meeting people outside your jurisdiction, I guess you could say.
Dude, love that. Okay. So you get this deal under contract for around a little less than 2.4. How much is the rehab budget, and like how did you like arrive at there?
Yeah, so we took the month of September, bringing in contractors in, bringing in people that could get us multiple quotes, multiple bids, and kind of see where we stand.
Yeah.
So we ended up going with one of our partners, contractor, and it's hitting around the mark of 350 to 375 for rehab costs. So that's what we're looking at. That's what we're targeting.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. How's it been so far as like budgeting?
So far, I mean, we've been trending along.
Okay.
Everything's been going smoothly for the most part. Definitely some hiccups here and there, but nothing that's myself and partners could kind of figure out on the fly.
That's good. So like there were surprises, but like nothing crazy.
Yeah, nothing crazy. I mean, I will say partnering kind of helps with that.
Partnering, right?
I don't think, I definitely wouldn't be able to take on this large scale of a project by myself.
Yeah.
It would be very stressful, but at the end of the day, I mean, you kind of rely on each other, you rely on your partners to kind of get things done, and everybody has their own kind of hat to do within the project.
Because you just started investing, right?
Yeah, I mean, I think.
When did you buy your first deal?
Yeah, I think actually first week of May of last year was the first
Holy crap.
deal I closed.
Oh dang, okay.
Yeah.
How much was that?
That one was 730.
730?
Yeah, 735.
First deal.
There. Yeah.
Which in Hawaii, that's kind of like typical numbers for your first deal, I feel, if it's a single family.
I think, that might be on a lower price point if you're thinking in median home value in Hawaii, but
So that's your first deal in May of 2022, 730, and then this, what deal is this?
Second flip deal.
Yeah.
But maybe.
Oh my God.
I think maybe like the 6th or 7th deal overall.
Because you do invest in like the mainland.
Yeah, so I do. My main market is Kansas City, Missouri, where I do residential stuff and slowly transitioning into commercial projects.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Dang. So This is your second deal. You're buying it for 2.4 million. Your rehab is about 350-ish, but you have experienced partners.
Yeah.
That's why you felt confident in taking this on. Okay.
Yeah, definitely.
And then 350 rehab. What are you gonna list at? What are you planning to list at?
Yeah. So when we first got our appraised value in, when we were in escrow to buying this property, it came in at 3.8. But I think that was a little bit towards the high end.
At the time, yeah.
Yeah, at the time. So we're thinking about bringing it down a little bit to maybe 3.5, 3.55 in that ballpark. I guess it all depends on when we actually list and what the comps are kind of showing at the time too. But I guess that could be our whisper price for now.
Yeah. And what is expected timeline? What is your goal when you expect this to be listed?
Yeah, I mean, listed, I think we're probably maybe about 70 to 75% finished.
Yeah.
So I would say hopefully another 3 to 5 weeks that we could probably finish out the rehab and get this on the market. But ideally, we're trying to get this out of our hands within the year, so 12 months, which is in like 3-4 months.
Okay.
So our timeline's been kind of pushing up, but it's going on. Yeah, it happens.
Cool. Now I gotta ask, were there any permit problems and delays?
Oh, I mean, just like anything, any projects you're doing in Hawaii, you're always gonna run into some type of permitting issue.
That too. It's annoying.
But it's just like you gotta work around it. You gotta follow the rules. You gotta follow the legal actions and everything that the inspector wants you to do. It helps when you can coordinate with them, work with them, and just be on the same track. So just work together as a whole.
It may take time, but that's how it is. So you just gotta work with them, and expect that. When you're taking on a project this big, expect for delays to happen. So
nice, just like what Ryan says, I mean, it's all just the cost of business. You know,
it's a cost of business.
Things, so.
Sick, dude. Well, good job with this. Thank you for taking the time to show us around,
thanks
man.
For stopping by,
this is sick. So when it's all done, maybe we'll do a tour when you
can move in.
Yeah. I can't afford that. But cool, brother. Well, thank you again. And for those of you watching, I'll put Wyatt's Instagram account and all of his socials over here. Go ahead and follow him. He's dope. He's a freaking killer beast investor. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys at the next video.